Hi and good afternoon, all YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. My story starts with AAA, Automobile Southern California Club of Los Angeles. I've been a long-standing member with AAA for over 18 years. But this here is basically, I love the service. I'm not really knocking them in any way, but their batteries and the way that they take care of their clients and also to changing them out is totally wrong, and they need to go ahead and recap this with the other parties that they work with. Story starts about 2 years ago. I went ahead and called them up. I had a dead battery. No problem at all. We can do one of two things, Michael. We can jump it for you, or I have a battery on the truck I can go ahead and give you. Well, I was already running late for work. Just go ahead, throw it in. How much is it? $195? Okay, let's do it. What's the warranty? 3 years. I forgot to mention also too, what kind of battery are you putting it in? Is this battery recommended for my Mustang? I did not ask that question. On my way, got to work on time, everything was fantastic, and enjoyed my day. Then about a year later, guess what? The battery dies again. Call them out. Good news, Mr. Graves, you have a warranty on this here. You got a copy of your paperwork, I'll just give you a new one. Okay, that's fine. I mean, things happen. I mean, it's just all part of life. Then nobody will believe this. For the third time last week, the battery died again. Had the technician come out, he checked it out. Battery's just a little bit low charge on it. It's okay. Go ahead and jump it. Car would not start. We looked at it too and trying to figure it out, and it just was not starting. Either was the starter, the alternator, or basically something else to go along with it too. So anyway, we jacked it up, hit the solenoid on the starter just to go ahead and see if we could do that. It still wouldn't run. No problem. Told it to my buddy Chris over up in the next city over. We've done car projects many years, working back and forth. All right, Chris, I got a headache now. Can you take care of this? What's wrong? Okay, car won't start. Okay, they dropped it off, the tow truck, went through the whole 9 yards, signed the paperwork, called me the next day. All right, what's going on with the car? What's going on with the Mustang, Chris? First of all, you got a bad battery. How can I have a bad battery? The guy from AAA said that it was just a little low charge. First of all, Michael, this battery is the totally wrong battery for your car. And also too, I got some bad news for you. And also too, it burned out your starter. You need a new starter. All right, Chris, let's go ahead and do this here. My advice to everybody that's watching this video here, there are other places that you can go to get a battery. If you need your car jumped, you can go ahead and go to AutoZone, you can go to O'Reilly's. They're all over Los Angeles County and California and different states. There are always places where you can get a new battery. And also too, you can go ahead and make sure that it's for the right make, the right model, the right year. Do not do what Michael done. I made a mistake on this too, but actually I just want to go ahead and spread the word around. Whenever you go ahead and rely on AAA, these third parties, whoever they send out, they're going to go ahead and put any battery that they have on the truck. Do not get stuck with a bill like I just did. Go ahead and do the right thing. Take care for now. If you like the video, leave your comments below with some comments, and also to a thumbs up. Take care and catch you on the next video. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching.